let's decode this logarithm here, the logarithm of 9 to the base 27. And let's do this without using any calculator. So we have actually a certain process that will allow us to get the exact value of this using the transformation of the logarithm or the logarithmic equation into an equivalent exponential equation. We're talking about making this as an entire logarithm equal to x, and that's the value that we're trying to get. Once we try to equate the entire logarithm to x, we would come up with an equivalent exponential equation using this concept. Logarithm of any value of a to the base b when it's equal to another variable x can be rewritten and vice versa using this property. You will have the base b and the exponent of x is equal to the coefficient of a. So instead of looking at this as a logarithmic function or a logarithm, rather logarithmic equation, we are going to come up with an equivalent exponential equation for this. And for that, we have here the logarithm of 9 to the base 27 is equal to x. Applying the transformation, you will get 27 to the power of x is equal to 9. And from here, we are going to treat this as an exponential equation, but we cannot use x root of both sides or taking the root of both sides using the index of x because it's x that we are trying to solve for. We are going to use here a property, specifically termed as the property of equivalent exponents, which tells us that if we have an exponentiation to an exponent m, just like this, and it's equal to another exponentiation of the same base to the power of n, if we have the same bases, we can say that the exponents are equal or just the same. This is the property of equivalent exponents. And for us to do that, we can actually express both of these items or bases in terms of a singular base that will define them. Of course, we cannot create 27 as base 9, but we can make 27 as base 3. For 27 is 3 cubed, and then it's raised to x. Don't forget that because it is very important as we go further. And of course, 9 is 3 squared. Before we could apply the property of equivalent exponents, let's try to simplify this using the power law of exponents or power of a power. You will get here 3 to the power of 3x equal to 3 squared. Now that we have the same bases, we can apply the property of equivalent exponents telling us that the exponent of 3x is equal to the exponent of the right hand side 2. And of course, by algebraic process, x is 2/3. This is the exact value of the unknown. In short, the logarithm of 9 to the base 27 should be equal to x, which is 2/3. And we have applied this set of processes in order for us to solve for that. So again, we have decoded now the value of logarithm of 9 to the base 27. And that's mission accomplished.